athi ubonga isandla esimkhombisa azomalana athi azomotivate abantwana abaza emva kwabo athi uNkulunkulu khona xa ningahamba ngendlela yenyaniso nithandaza uzoba nani. Amen. Athi uzoqala ngokuthi
the first year ke simolotseng mo kerekeng
ngonyaka wokuqala aqala ngapha ecaweni
ke tlo motivate abana
ezomotivate abantwana
le ngwaga ka bobedi
nonyaka wesibili.
there were two things ke di beileng on the table.
Bekunezinto ezithu azibekileyo lapha.
The first year
unyaka wokuqala
I spoke about my journey.
Uthethe ngendlela yakhe
Engihambile through high school yami until
athi ayihambile from high school yakhe until la.
The second year
unyaka wesibili
which was last year
which is bekunyaka ophelile
ngikhulumile ka
ari ubuyele ka
how the processes of how you gonna get there.
Indlela yokuhamba uze uyofika khona lapha ya.
No ama-bursaries uyathola njani?
Ibhazari uyifumana kanjani?
I-career yakho iqala kuphi before uya e-varsity?
Career how ithoma kae before utsama uye ko-varsity?
But today I want to take those two to combine.
Namhlanje ufuna uqala athathe lezo nto azihlanganise.
So the journey has similar.
Indlela yakhe mayiqala.
Firstly, it starts with God.
Qala iqala ngoNkulunkulu.
And when I say it starts with God,
Xa ethi iqala ngoNkulunkulu,
it's because mongwe le mongwe before abelekwa,
omunye nomunye before abelekwa okanye xa ebelekwa,
Modimo amfile yona.
uNkulunkulu unesipho amphe sona.
And gift yona eloreni the passion mo rena.
Sipho seso siso esikhoyo ngapha esithundezayo.
Okay, can there a bit of notes
Athi wenze inotes ezincane
before kita through the path.
before aqale.
Before kita through the path, no?
Before aqale.
So when I say God has given each and one of us a gift.
Xa ethi uNkulunkulu unikeze omunye nomunye isipho.
Those gifts it's gonna be motivating in life. You can make it in life, that's all.
Zipho zezo zizwe ezikhuthazayo ukuthi uqhubeke nempilo, uqhubeke empilweni enhle ngazo.
And each and every one of us, we need to have this thing called an awareness, a self-awareness.
Omunye nomunye
Only just an awareness, a self-awareness.
Omunye nomunye une-awareness yakhe.
So when I say a self-awareness, it's
Makati i-self-awareness leyo.
It's about wena mang.
Wena ubani.
As a person, do you understand wena umang?
As umuntu uyazi-understand na ukuthi ungubani.
Do you know who orata in?
Uyazazi ukuthi uthandani.
Are you able to identify your strength?
Uyakwazi ukusohlula i-strength sakho na?
I-weakness yakho.
I-weakness yakho sithi ngesiXhosa. Weakness. Ubuthakathaka bakho yes.
Weakness, I'll say something so you're not strong.
Ubuthakathaka bakho lapho ungekho strong khona.
So here, as a person, you're able to identify how
yiyo into okwazi ukuthi uyakwazi uzohlula ukuthi yini okwazi ukuyenza. Nama uye esikolweni
you're able to identify how you're able to do this subject, you're not able to do
uyakwazi uzohlula ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukwenza leli subject okwenza.
And then again, I put another thing as a situation in awareness.
Efaka enye into is the situation
Awareness.
Yes.
The situation awareness, your surroundings.
I-situation awareness yuthi understand i-surroundings yakho, your circle.
so that you know hore mina mani hamba nontiki
Are yena wa tsebe hore ha tsamaya le kgaogelo.
ntiki ha right for nna.
Kgaogelo ha right for Ntsiki.
So those are the things that in life you need to know. Utlhaloganye ka
Izinto
boyena.
ekumele wena ukuthi uyaziqonda lapha empilweni.
So ke mo ke simololang mo teng, mo ke fitlhang mo
Kulapho
teng.
uqala khona.
So now I'm taking you back to my journey. How did I make it?
Uthi ngoku uzongibuyisela emuva endleleni yakho ukuthi wenze njani azazi baby yaphumelela.
Last year I stated that and I'm putting it again. Kuya ko university.
Last year uthe and futhi uzayibeka futhi ukuya e-university.
Your path is start uluka high school.
Indlela iqala e-high school.
Immediately how tsena ka grade 10.
Xa uqala i-grade 10 yakho
Nna ka nako tsa nna le re ke standard 10 ba.
ngesikhathi sakhe yena bekathi standard 10.
The moment you reach your grade 10, that's where your path is simolola mo teng.
Xa uqala u-grade 10 kulapho uqala khona isiqalo
I
sakho.
simulate from the university.
Ayiqali i-university.
Starting from choose your subjects.
Qala ukhetha ama-subject wakho.
He ne ke bua ka self-awareness, that's where you get in.
Makathetha nge-self-awareness kulapho ungena khona.
Because when you go and choose those subjects,
Ma uhamba uyochoose lawo ma-subject lawo,
you know what's your strongest points.
uyazazi ukuthi ustrong kuphi.
And why it's how strong mo kae.
Uyazazi ukuthi ulekha kuphi.
Akotama ka choose the subject because untiki o etse di maths and science.
Awuzuhamba uyochoose ama-subject because of ugaugele uchoose i-maths and science.
Kitse ba rona maths ke kra 0.
Eyazi ukuthi yena ufumana u-0.
So path ya how isimula mo by starting by
Indlela
choosing
yakho-
each subject.
Indlela yakho iqala lapho ngokukhetha ama-subject a-right for wena.
And then le self-awareness ne ke bua ka yona.
Le-self-awareness leyo abathetha ngayo
Mo etsana mo teng gape.
kulapho iqongela khona ibuye futhi emuva.
Umutho o mo jang.
Ungumuntu onjani?
If nna go tloga ke re go dira marketing,
Xa ethi yena uzohamba ayokwenza i-marketing,
do I love traveling?
uyakuthanda na ukuhamba-hamba.
Because hona le di-marketing tsa rona indoor marketing
Zikhona i-marketing ukuthi usebenzele ngaphakathi.
or you the traveling agent marketing.
Uyahamba-hamba uye kwamanye ama-agent.
So do I love traveling?
Uyakuthanda na ukuhamba
Kopani.
okanye hayi.
Ke thanda abantu na
O rata batho na
or not?
o hayi.
If I get thanda batho, I cannot go to the hospital.
If ha o rate batho, you'll never go to hospital.
Ke re ko ba i-doctor on
O utlwa ba doctor o.
because ha o motho wa batho.
Ngoba awungumuntu wabantu.
Angeke o tsamaye o re wena o choose di-subject and then o re wa i-teacher
Ngeke uhambe uyochoose ama-subject ukuthi wena uzoba nguthisha.
while you're not passionate about abantwana.
While ungakuthandi ukufundisa abantwana.
So that's why the self-awareness ke mo ne ke bia mo teng.
Kulapho i-self-awareness ingena khona.
So when you choose your subject, it's about who are you.
Xa uchoose ama-subject kumele uzazi ukuthi ungubani.
Di-subject tseo ke mmereko o le reng wena o tlo o etsa, o tlo kgona go etsa na?
Lezo subject lezo ukuthi umsebenzi ozowenza uzokhona ukwenza na.
Is it linked to who you are?
Iyahambelana nawe na.
Because ka bosiu o ba mistress wa tsamaya wa buisa bana ba rena.
Ma uhamba uba ngumistress uzohlukumeza abantwana.
Because wena o funa i-monthly salary.
Because wena o batla monthly salary,
But a o thandi abantwana bethu.
mara awurati banna ba rena.
So my journey na he ke simolla ke choose di-account.
Yena makaqala athi uqale wachoose i-accounting.
Nna ke entse di-account.
Athi yena wenza accounting.
And accounting yaka, I loved accounting, but I was struggling.
Athi accounting uyayithanda but wayesokola.
And mo sokoleng haka,
Ekusokoleni kwakhe
I didn't understand.
azange understand.
But because it's what I loved,
Ngoba yinto ayithandayo.
and I knew what to do,
Yena wazile ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani.
I made sure hore ke feletse ke gone ke
Wenze sure ukuthi uyayiphasa.
in order for me to get what I want today, what I am
Khona
today.
ukuze yena azothola lento ayifunayo.
So ke tsene nna ko Mankala
Athi yena ungene eMankala
High School.
Mankala High School.
Technical school.
Wabuyele college.
No, it was a technical.
Oh,
Mankala Technical School.
Mankala Technical School college.
So ngangena sikolo ngaphasa.
Athi atana sikolo aphasa.
What are the obstacles in life?
Kunamahlande enyuka ebomini.
Kadula mahai because of I didn't understand the to apply.
Wahlala ekhaya akazazi ukuthi uzo apply or cha.
Ekhaya bathi yenza le.
Ekhaya kathi yenza oku.
Omunye arenza le ngizofika.
Omunye ariyenza ntweki tlo thusa.
Then I was like, it's not me.
Wathi cha akusiyena.
Then the following year, Mewaka
Ngonyaka olandelayo umama wakhe
kept on saying, because of when go auntie bahaba say when I don't wanna go.
uphile esithi bo andi bakho bathi wena yenza oku wena awuyila.
Na ke na the information utshwana le.
Umama athi yena akana ulwazi olufana nolwabo.
Ke khopela hore o bone hore o ya sekolong and do what you want.
Athi uma wakhe ubona ukuthi uya esikoleni wenze lento oyithandayo.
I went to register like go to university.
Uhambile wayo register efuna ukuya university.
But I went to college.
Uhambile waya college.
Nathi le TVET college.
Athi uye eTVET college.
Kaira technical financial accounting.
Athi ayokwenza i-technical financial accountant,
which is a diploma.
Athi wenza i-diploma.
It was, my journey was very hard.
Indlela yakhe ibinzima.
But you know in life, mounzima, you know when you climb.
You know xa uqhubeka uphusha unyuka.
You know you need to focus.
Kufuneka uqonde ngokuhlakanipha focus.
But you know what the main goal.
Athi uyazazi i-goal yakho.
Hore ufete uphake
Ukuthi uqede uphathe i-certificate se-diploma.
And I did my diploma and I failed graduation.
Athi yena uyenza i-diploma yakhe azange wafela waphasa.
Then simula kasebenza.
Athi waqala ukusebenza.
And usebenza, it's not like it's smooth kasebenza office serious.
Uthi akaqalanga ofisini e-right.
Sebenzile emakuleni.
Athi uberekile komakuleni.
While kilika go kena mo di industry.
While aqhubeka afuna ukungena ku-industry.
Then ka kena ka simula sebeletsa hantle.
Athi wangena waqala ukusebenza kahle.
But because of go high,
ngoba ekhaya
financially never sishap.
Emalini bekungekho right kahle.
Neke saphone go felletsa se neke se batla.
Ebengakhona ukuqeda lokho ebekufuna.
Na myself I decided to go and register again.
Yena udecide yena waphinde waregister futhi.
Kieta
Kulapha ayenza i-BCom.
manje diseyini.
Manje useyunisi.
Yenza BCom yami. I'm left with 2 modules.
Wenza i-BCom yakhe usele nje ngama-module ayi-2.
Which is like yanishashara lithola.
Hayi, inzima ziyamfaka.
But I'm not gonna give up.
Kodwa angeke ayekele.
And one thing, the reason why I'm saying that is because
Isizathu sokuthi akhulume lokhu.
ensirele batho
Singabantu
asifani.
arithwani.
And this one ke nyoko e bya mo batswading.
Yona le ngifuna ukuyibeka kanye lapha ebazalini.
Khona le bana ba le horeng academically they are
Kunabantwana lapho ezincwadini ba-right.
khona le bana ba le horeng academically ha ba khone.
Kunabantwana lapho ezincwadini abakwazi.
Mara ba khona ka matsogo a bona.
Bakhona ngezandla zabo.
And this thing ya hore batswadi we need to compare bana hore nna mama ka hansheba a bona dintle.
Lento yokukhombesha abantwana xa umamakhe embona abone omunye.
Are ka ntse ke doctor wa nna ke se di doctor.
Ari ukgawogele ngudokotela yena ntse ka ngodokotela.
Wale nna ke sa khone nna ke le buti ka bo electrician ke dira tse dira ke tse
Ngobani yena akakhoni kodwa ukhona ezombala.
those are the things lo rena batswadi we need to understand our kids.
Zizinto lezo thina abazali ekumele siziqaphele.
Because of haratswana re le batho.
Because singabantu asifani.
And we just still haratswana.
Ngeke sivuke sifana.
So nna le nna ke tla re hona ka manyane mafoko a ke re
Yena ngobuyena uzothi
ke khopela le tsebeng as re le bana.
athi ucela nizazi eziningabantwana.
o rata eng ha o rate eng
uthandane awuthandi
e re ha o ya ko sekolong
ma uhambe uye esikolweni
you know gore which subject are you gonna choose
uyazazi ukuthi uzothatha yiphi subject na
you know gore go na le di-bursaries
uyayazi ukuthi kunamabhazari
it doesn't matter gore wena
akunandaba ngobani wena
ekhaya li financially stable
ohaye u-financial stable ninemali or aninamali
or hayona tšhelete
or ayikho
di-bursaries di teng
amabhazari akhona
and some of the bursaries you don't need even to pay for those
amanye amabhazari akudingeki ukuthi uwabhadale
hayi gore mama wa bereka ga bereki
akunakuthi umama uyasebenza ocha
you need to get the right information
kumele uthole information right kuphela
last year I've said it we are here again.
last year uchilo wathi bakhona and for bazonginceda
understand gore how your universities go na le di-APS scores
ma uye university yazi ukuthi kunama-EPS scores
no gore wena di-subject tse o di khethang o itse gore di-module di-course o tlo etsang
mme uyazi lama-subject owakhethayo ma uya e-university
o tlo kgona go tsena nako
uzokhona ukungena na
so ka bonyane bo kere
jwale uthi ngeli xeshana
knowing yourself is very important
ukuzazi wena kubalulekile
choosing your subject for high school is very important
ukukhetha ama-subject kubalulekile abantu
know gore ha o phasa
athi xa uphasa
o phasetsa o shebile gore APS score ya gago e tlo kentsha ko kae.
ma uphasa jonga ukuthi i-APS score yakho izokungenisa kuphi na
ha o choose this subject because of o batla o pass
awukhethe ama-subject because of ufuna ukupasa
because you tlo tshwara ko pele when you have to go to university.
ngoba zizokubamba phambili xa hambe uye kwi-university
So ka wana mafoko a nka re ke leboha.
Thapelo